Hi everyone, welcome to day 2 of Monday Motif series. Today we are going to see a medium size heart motif. For this, I have chosen a orange color yarn. You can choose the color you wish for. So first, we can start with the magic ring as mentioned in this figure. So now I'm going to do a magic ring. So once you are done, your magic ring look like this. And now you shall start with the chain stitches here. So here the chain stitches, this three chain stitches is equivalent to one double crochet. So totally five double crochets on left side of the heart. So first I'm going to make three chain stitches. Now I'm going to do the four double crochets into the magic ring. Now one side is done. To do this tip part, I have chosen a triple crochet here so that the tip will be more evident. So now one side of the heart is done. To make the other side, I'm going to repeat 5 double crochets into the same magic ring. So once this is done, you should pull this tail end. So while pulling this, you should hold on the tip part so that the shape will be formed uniformly. So now the first row is done. To finish this row, you can make a slip stitch into the chain you made first. So after this, we are going to start the second row. So you can start the second row at the third double crochet you made in the previous row. So now I have done the slip stitch and this is the top of the chain stitch. So I'm skipping the second one, and at the third one I should do double crochets. So totally I should do 7 double crochets into the same stitch. So that it'll look like a cluster formed at a place. 7. So I've done 7 double crochets into the same loop. On the next stitch I should do 1 double crochet. On the next stitch you should do 2 double crochets. So now you are in the tip part where you made triple crochet on the previous row. So here you should do 2 double crochet, 1 triple crochet and 2 double crochets again. So this has to be done on the same loop. So I'm doing 2 double crochets now, and I'm going to do a triple crochet now. So this will be the tip part of your heart. Now again 2 double crochets into the same loop. So now as this is a symmetric pattern, you should follow the same procedure what you did on the left side. So I'm going to make 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Now 1 double crochet in the next stitch. And 7 double crochets in the next stitch. Seven. So now I'm done with the 7 double crochets in the same loop as well. So as previously we did on the left side, we skipped 2 stitches. So in the similar way, we should skip the 2 stitches here as well. So I'm going to skip this 1, 2 stitches, and I'm going to make a slip stitch at the center. So now your medium size heart motif is ready. So you can drag this part as you need, so that this will act as a hanging charm. So now I'm going to cut the excess part, make a knot with the tail end, and now you can hide this excess part using a needle. So you can insert in some near point and take it out, so that it will get sealed between the loops. And cut off the excess part. So you can do the same thing for this tail end as well. Also, if you want, you can make a knot as well, if you want it even more tighter. But however, this will get stick to this. So now your medium size heart motif is ready. Do try this, and thank you for watching.